If you're looking to add some flair to your YouTube shorts, or just start creating them from the ground up, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into how you can make YouTube shorts from scratch using Canva. I'll walk you through it step by step, explaining everything in detail, so you can create engaging and fun YouTube shorts without the stress. Let's jump right in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, no worries, just create one using your email address. Signing up is easy, and trust me, it's totally worth it once you see all the awesome tools they have for designing. Whether you're creating graphics, videos, or animations, Canva is super user-friendly. Once you're in, it's time to get familiar with the interface. You'll notice a lot of different options on the homepage. But for YouTube Shorts, you're going to want to focus on video creation. So let's get ready for some editing magic. Now that you're logged in, let's go ahead and find some inspiration for your project. In the search bar at the top, type in YouTube Shorts or Shorts Video. This will bring up a bunch of pre-designed templates you can choose from. There's so much variety here. Whether you want something high energy, minimalist, or bold, Canva's got it. You can either scroll through the templates and pick one that catches your eye or choose to start from scratch with a blank canvas. If you decide to go the template route, don't worry. You can always change it up, add your own twist, and make it your own. Let's imagine you've picked a template to get started. Templates are a fantastic starting point because they give you a ready-made structure, but they're also super flexible, allowing you to make it truly your own. Whether it's a vibrant promo or a sleek presentation, you have endless possibilities to add your unique touch. Here's how to make it yours. When you open the template, you'll see a mix of video clips, text blocks, and animations already in place. Maybe you like the design but want to customize it with your own content. That's where the fun begins. To start, swap out the video clips with your own footage. Navigate to the Uploads tab on the left, click Upload Media, and choose your video files from your device. Once uploaded, drag and drop your video onto the timeline, replacing the placeholder content. Adjust it to fit the template's layout seamlessly. Resize, crop, or trim as needed. Next, tweak the text to match your message. Double-click on the text fields, type in your content, and style it to match your brand. You can change fonts, colors, and effects to create a cohesive look. Feel free to add elements like icons, transitions, or overlays to enhance the design further. By the end, the template becomes a reflection of your unique vision, customized and ready to impress. Let's dive into one of the most exciting steps, editing the text. Templates often come with sample phrases like "Welcome to my channel" or "Check out these tips." These placeholders are a great starting point, but personalizing them is what makes your content shine. Simply click on the text to edit it and type in your custom message. Whether it's an announcement, a tagline, or a catchy phrase, you have full control. Customizing the font is where your creativity can really shine. Canva offers an extensive library of fonts, so you can pick something bold and modern, fun and quirky, or sleek and professional. Don't stop at just the font. You can adjust the size, color, and effects to match the mood of your content. Add animations for extra flair, like having the text slide in, bounce, or fade into view. For example, if you're creating a promo for a product, you could have the headline text pop into view with a bold, eye-catching font. Pair it with contrasting colors for emphasis. Remember, the key is clarity. Your text should grab attention at a glance and be easy to read, especially if your audience is scrolling through content quickly on platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Let's get to the heart of creating your YouTube short, adding and editing video clips. Since shorts are all about quick, engaging content, keeping it under 60 seconds is essential. Canva makes this process seamless, whether you're working with your own footage or using stock clips. To start, drag your video into the timeline and adjust it to fit your desired sequence. If you've filmed your own content, you might want to focus on specific highlights. Use the trimming tool to shorten the beginning or end, or the split tool to cut the video into smaller sections. This is particularly helpful if you want to rearrange parts of the clip or remove any unnecessary moments. For instance, if you're editing a quick tutorial, cut directly to the action to keep your audience hooked. If you're short on footage, Canva's vast library of stock videos is a lifesaver. Search for terms like adventure, food, or creativity to find clips that align with your theme. Want your video to look polished? Crop and resize the footage to perfectly fit YouTube's vertical format. With a little tweaking, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing short that grabs attention and leaves an impact. Now that your base design is complete, let's elevate it with smooth transitions and eye-catching animations. These elements add flair and captivate your audience from the start. Begin by selecting any element in your timeline, whether it's text, an image, or a video. Imagine you're starting your video with a bold statement like "Quick tip for success." Add an animation like bounce or fade in to make the text grab attention right away. This is a great way to create an energetic introduction that sets the tone for the rest of the video. When transitioning between clips, consider using effects such as swipe, flip, or cross dissolve. For instance, if your video showcases a series of motivational quotes, you can use a swipe effect to make each quote slide seamlessly into view. You can also fine-tune the timing of each animation and transition. Suppose you want a key phrase to appear halfway through your clip. Adjust the timing on the timeline so it syncs perfectly with your narration or background music. Similarly, transitions can be timed to flow smoothly, ensuring there's no awkward pause between clips. By experimenting with dynamic animations and seamless transitions, your video will look professional, polished, and ready to grab attention. No YouTube short feels complete without an awesome soundtrack to tie everything together. Background music and sound effects not only add energy but also help convey the mood of your video. Canva makes this super easy with its built-in tools for audio. To start, head to the audio section in Canva's sidebar. You'll find a variety of music tracks and sound effects, sorted by genre and mood. For example, if your short is upbeat and motivational, you might choose an energetic pop track. Or if you're sharing calming tips for relaxation, a gentle acoustic tune might work best. If you have your own music, upload it through the Uploads tab. Drag your chosen audio file onto the timeline, then align it with your video. Use the trimming tool to cut the track so it perfectly matches the length of your short. You can also adjust the volume. Keep it subtle if you have a voiceover or increase it for dramatic moments. Want to add extra flair? Canva's sound effects library includes options like a swoosh for transitions or a pop for highlighting key text. Fade effects allow you to smoothly transition your audio in and out, ensuring a polished finish. With the right audio, your short will leave a lasting impression. Once you've added all the elements, video, text, transitions, and music, it's time to preview your YouTube short. Make sure everything flows smoothly and that your video doesn't feel too rushed. Keep an eye on the timing of each element to make sure they fit within the 60-second or 3 minutes with new update limit. If you need to make adjustments, this is the time to do it. Cut unnecessary clips, adjust the length of the text, or add more transitions if needed. You can even preview the entire video multiple times to make sure it's just right. Once you're satisfied with your YouTube short, it's time to download and prepare it for upload. Begin by clicking the download button located in the top right corner of Canva's interface. Choose the MP4 format, as this is perfect for YouTube, and let Canva process the file. The video will be saved directly to your device, ready to be shared with the world. Next, head over to YouTube and log into your account. Click on the plus button at the top of the screen, then select Upload Video. When prompted, make sure to choose the Shorts option to categorize your video correctly. This is essential for making sure your video appears in the Shorts feed. While uploading, take some time to optimize your video's title, description, and tags. Include relevant keywords that will help your video appear in search results. Adding hashtags, like #shorts, either in the title or description, will improve discoverability and ensure that YouTube recognizes your content as a short. Before you hit publish, double-check everything one more time: the video thumbnail, title, description, and tags. Once everything looks perfect, click publish, and your YouTube short will be live, ready for viewers to enjoy. And also, here are a few tips to keep in mind as you create YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts need to be engaging from the start. Keep your content fast-paced, exciting, and to the point. The first few seconds matter most. Make sure you grab your viewers' attention with something exciting or eye-catching right at the beginning. People watch shorts on their phones, so make sure your text is large enough to read, even on small screens. Don't just stick to templates. Customize your video to reflect your personality or brand, and make it stand out. Ask questions, add call to actions, or create content that encourages viewers to interact with your video.